So you're looking for some winter color? Here are 5 standout shrubs that you really need to have in your garden. Beautyberry or Callicarpa Profusion is a big wow this time of year because as soon as it drops its leaves, it's literally smothered in these unnatural purple berries that'll last right through to January. Winter Camellia or Camellia sasanqua white doves blooms from fall through to early winter. This particular one has beautiful pure white flowers and they're nicely fragrant. You can grow them up against a fence or in a pot. I know some of you might be thinking it's a little too early to think about witch hazels, but have a look at this Hamamelis intermedia Jelena. Just stunning fall color, and then come February, March, beautiful orange flowers on bare stems. Winter hazel or Corylopsis pauciflora is a hard to find deciduous shrub with beautiful pale yellow flowers late winter and a nice horizontal habit. Last but not least are heavenly bamboo or clumping evergreen shrubs known as Nandina that turn a beautiful fiery red or burgundy in winter. Harbor dwarf grows 2 to 3 feet tall, while firepower grows 2 by 2.